Well, hello mga ka-friendship! In today's video, magluluto tayo ngayon ng baked spaghetti. This recipe is with thin spaghetti, mushrooms, white sauce, and parmesan. So una, i-half cook muna natin yung ating spaghetti. In a non-stick pan, i-melt natin ang 1 tablespoon of butter. And then, maggisa tayo ng red onions na minced and grated garlic. When garlic is fragrant, maglalagay na tayo ng ating mga seasonings like black pepper, sweet or spicy, paprika, depende sa kagustuhan nyo. And then maglalagay din tayo ng chicken powder and yung ating asin. Haluing mabuti until well combined, and then maglalagay na tayo ng ating meat. Haluing mabuti at hayaan lang natin siyang maluto. Kapag luto na yung ating minced meat, maglalagay na tayo ngayon ng 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar. Then ihalo na rin natin ngayon yung ating mushrooms. So ngayon naman, gagawa na tayo ng ating white sauce. Magmi-mix tayo ng 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 cup of milk. Mix well hanggang maging well combined yung ating cornstarch and milk, and then pakuluan natin hanggang sa magiging smooth and thick consistency. And then tsaka tayo maglalagay ng seasonings, powdered black pepper, granulated garlic, asin, and yung ating 100 grams na parmesan cheese. Haluin nating mabuti hanggang maging well combined yung ating seasonings and parmesan cheese. So kapag very smooth na yung ating white sauce, ihalo na natin yung ating meat and haluing mabuti. Now let's toss in our spaghetti. When all ingredients are combined, ilagay na natin siya sa ating greased baking dish, and then put some more of that white sauce. I-bake na natin siya for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Smells good. Now here's our flavorful baked spaghetti.